today's video. Best mini fridge without freezer.
There are a lot of products on the market, and without decent research, one can mistakenly go for the wrong product. That's why we've taken a look at the products available and used a comprehensive rating system to help you choose the right product. When we compared the products, we took into account the price, quality, durability, performance, and more. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. So, let's get started.
Best mini fridge without freezer.
Starting off our list at number 5. These are our ratings for this product. At number 4. These are our ratings for this product. At number 3.
The AstroAI 4-liter mini fridge is the perfect compact fridge to keep your belongings cool or warm. This fridge is designed to store everything from drinks and snacks to medicine or skincare products, making it convenient for whatever you put in your personal stash. It might be small on the outside, but it impressively stores up to 6 12-ounce soda cans, ensuring you'll always have a cool drink within arm's reach. The removable shelf is perfect for organizing moistures, creams, and masks, so everything is chilled for your routine. With 2 ways to plug in your mini fridge, it's perfect to use in the car on road trips or at your office cubicle. Its eco-friendly engineering is free on free and works so quietly you'll hardly notice it. The cool to warm technology not only cools down to 32 degrees, but also warms up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. A built-in handle makes it easier to bring your mini fridge anywhere to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2 in the list. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best mini fridge without freezer.
Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.